Why am I so, oh my god, I haven't done this in so long, I don't even know how to say hi. It's been longer than it should have. Today I have these two palettes. I want to do a look with each one. This one is the Zodiac palette by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. Looks like this. So pretty. I've used this like once or twice. There's this palette. This is the Perception palette. This is Shayla x Colourpop. And I have not tried this one. So I'm really excited to try this, but like the whole point of this video is to test out like which one is more worth your money from Colourpop. This one right here is $23 and this one is $18. And the Perception palette does have 4 more shades, so that could factor into your decision of which one is more worth your money. But yeah, I'm going to put this on because my hair is a little crazy right now. Oh yeah, and don't mind the makeup. I did my makeup really quick before school this morning, and I have had this makeup on like for a lot of hours now. So I'm gonna start with the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop palette, and I'm gonna do like a full look with each palette. So right now I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to prime my lids with that. And I'm going to go in with a brownish shade. I'm just going to take that as like a transition shade. And then I'm gonna go in with the Libra. It's like a light pink kind of dusty shade, and use that to like blend out the edges. I'm going in with the like darker brown shade from the palette now. And I'm going to take a little bit of the first 2 shades and just blend everything together a little bit. And I'm using the Morphe M441 again. Now we're going to take the Morphe R39 brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of purple matte shade. Basically, I'm applying that into the crease. They blend out so good. They do not look patchy at all. And they're really pigmented. And I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Blending out the edge. Guys, I just realized I forgot like to bring a spray down. So honestly, I'm just going to pour a little water, and since I forgot my spray, I have my brush right here. For this, I like mix the two shimmers in the top right corner. I mixed both of them because I didn't want it like super gold, but I didn't want it like really pink, you know? So I'm mixing both. And I just started patting it onto my lid. Oh, that actually looks fucking dope. I'm going to put that like on the edges, like so. And I'm going to take the purple matte shade and place some on the edge. I'm going to apply false lashes off camera just for the look of it, just so you can see how it looks with false lashes. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put these on so quick. There's probably like, they're probably not even on yet. I put the tiniest amount of glue on just so you guys can just see how they look with lashes. There's not really like a nice shade I would use for the inner corner in here. So I'm just going to take Flexitarian from Colourpop. I'm going to use the What's Your Sign Luxe lipstick, which was a part of the Zodiac collection. I'm going to use it. This is a little too like, what is it, like peachy, corally for me. So I'm gonna apply Kathleen's Moonchild lipstick. This is from her Dream Street collection launch. And this is more of a nude lip gloss. Wait, I just realized I forgot to do the lower lash line. And I already did my mascara. Wow. So I'm just going to take that first transition shade that I used. Alright, so we just did the first look with the Zodiac palette. Now we're moving on to the Perception palette. My face looks a little messed up because I wiped like all the makeup off and foundation came off with it. So please ignore the face makeup. It's just like eye makeup. Thank you. Not even that, like I wiped off some of my brows. So I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like since I just did something warm that I have to use like the cooler shades now. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M441 and take Culture as a transition shade. I'm gonna take Blade Out. I'm gonna start deepening up the crease a little bit. It looks kind of like chocolatey, like a fudge color on camera. Maybe it's just my lighting, so it looks kind of like. Maybe it's the shade next to it. That's the shade next to it. It's literally called Shade. cool shade. It's like a blue, green, gray, like it looks so fucking awesome. I'm going to take that shade with a flat brush. I'm gonna apply that directly to the center of my lid. Wow, this was supposed to be a halo eye, but whoops. Outer edge. Okay, I forgot there was black on this. Oh. Oh, this is a good brush. Then I'm gonna take Unbothered. This palette actually has like a nice airplane shade. Again, I just threw them on. They might not be on like perfectly, but these are the eyes. And now I'm going to put Shayla's lipstick on. And this is Quickie. I believe it's like the lighter shade. Or does she have only one? I don't know, but this is Quickie. And I have her gloss, Neat Freak, but I can't find it anywhere. I swear I checked everywhere twice. Like all my purses, my backpack. Checked under my seats in my car. I have no idea where that lip gloss went. Alright, so this color is a bit similar to Kathleen's lipstick, but this one is more peach, definitely, I think. Yeah. I mean, it kind of goes with the look. No, not really. I'm gonna apply a little bit of Boy Luxe lipstick. Okay, now I just look like a clown. Put a little Moonchild over it. It's okay. I mean, both the lipsticks are okay. If you like these type of colors, like more corally, like peachy nudes, then you'll really like this. Why is my mom calling me right now? Oh my god. Hello? Okay. Bye. Okay, so my mom just interrupted. How rude. But what was I saying? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Yeah, if these are your type of colors, I think you will really like them. But yeah, they're just not my style. I don't know, this just looks a little funny to me on my skin tone because I'm more fair skin. I'm sure on like medium or darker skin tones this would look better. So overall, one more. Oh my god. Why do I always draw so? I'm done. Wow. I swear, oh my god, if this does not come out. These leggings are pretty new. I dropped my concealer on my leggings. Anyways, if I'm being honest, I would rather buy the Perception palette just because it has more shades and the shades are more wearable. Like, I mean, these are kind of wearable, but I feel like you can create much more looks with this palette. Like you can create so many fall looks with this one, and you can also like do like fun looks with your pops of color. This one also has pops of color, but I just feel like these work better together. And this one has a little bit more fallout than this palette. I mean, like I said, I don't mind fallout. I always do my eyes before my makeup. Today I just had my makeup done already, so I did my eyes only. But I really like this palette. Like, even the packaging literally speaks to me. I like love rose gold, and I was obsessed with purple for the longest. So like, just this whole theme, and it even has like a perfect like inner corner white shade, and this one doesn't. I mean, I like the idea of this palette. I'm like really into astrology and everything, but I don't know. It's just not the best in my opinion. Like, it is really good, but I would much rather buy this one over this one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll be posting a lot more videos now that I have my laptop, so stay tuned to that, and I'll see you in the next one.